legendary. Headed out to another meet tonight. This is our first ever one we put on. It's gonna be very small. We got only a few people showing up. We'll see though. You know what I mean? But ready to have a good time. We're heading up. Secret location. You will find out soon in the video. Stay tuned. But we're bringing out the GTR, bringing out the R8 today, and you know, Huracan's getting that love. You know, that's my baby right now. So we're whipping the Huracan, and I'm live. So you know, hey guys, let's do it. Alright guys, we're out here. Not a bad little get together. Check it out, let's give some love. Check them out on Instagram, Gilbert_6.2. The SS out here. Representing, bet, VFE. We got our boy out here. Brought out that Beamer. Snap, crackle, pop. I call this one snap, crackle, pop, bro. He's fucking snap, crackle, popping everywhere and shit. Alright guys. Not a bad look. Not a bad look tonight. Tesla's getting some love with us tonight. Okay. Hey. So, hey, we're out here to shoot video and have a good time, baby. That's what it's about. She's going topless. Look at him. Going topless, baby. Hell yeah, that's Spider, man. Respect. Love it. Thanks for joining us tonight, brother. GTR. Fast and the Furious. Paul Walker tribute, guys. Visionary Foreign and Exotics. We brought 3 whips out tonight. That's my little bro. My little bro Joe. My nephew. My nephew's out here ready to crush. Eli. The little bro. Alright, man. We got the RS. RS, guys. You know we gotta show the Type R some love. That's the history right there. Honda love. There you go, boss. Putting smiles on people's faces. Easy. Go ahead, man. She ain't gonna break. Built for that. We're about to start these whips up. Mine's already on. We're getting ready to roll out. Turn on these other GoPros. We got 360s. We got the R8 mounted up. It's go time, baby. Yo! Yo! We made it, guys. We lost some. We lost some on the way. We lost some, bro. What happened?
I saw he pulled out before we came up.
They couldn't keep up, bro. They weren't ready.
Yeah, he pulled up on like orange.
It's all good, man. All right, guys. We're out here in Lake Arrowhead. Visionary Foreign and Exotics first little rally. Not too shabby. What do you think, bro? Not too shabby for our first little rally, bro.
That's clean.
What do you think, Oscar? Visionary Foreign and Exotics first rally? Not too bad, right?
That's pretty good.
Hell yeah, man. What do you think, Milo? Fun? Yeah. Okay. Okay, you're whipping. You're keeping up. I like it. That's what's up. Hell yeah, the R's keeping up with everybody. Ish. Hell yeah. Not a bad look, bro. Visionary Foreign and Exotics, man. Our first little rally. Random ass meet we put together. Not too bad, bro. What do you guys think, man? Pretty chill ride up, huh? Nice views and shit. Close.
Yeah, oh yeah. It's more than especially with all-wheel drive. It's more than just like the corners and not let it go.
Yeah, everybody have a good time up? Everybody had a good time up? Hell yeah, bro. Thank you guys for joining us, man. Oh, there it is. There it is. I'll hit it. He said $5. Too cold, dog. Hell no. It's the party right here. Party on wheels. We got some gear actually. There's two girls mediums, Visionary Foreign and Exotic shirts. And these are XLs, but you guys are probably cold. So bad. Yeah, no doubt. Rock that with pride. Normally no gap, guys. I thought this was gonna be open, honestly. I was like, oh, we'll grab a Starbucks and we can roll out, but at least get a drink at the 76 or something.
There's like 13 people in this town.
For real, huh? We're gonna get some more of the rolling down the hill. I'm gonna get an energy drink, call it a day. This is our first little Thursday night meet that we put on together, man. Visionary Foreign and Exotics. Thanks to all the supporters, all the guys behind me, all the people's whips. Respect, man. Respect these guys. Came through, have a good time tonight. We did. It's not over yet, but we're on the mountain. Enjoy the video, guys. Hit the like, subscribe, thumbs up. Stay tuned for more. We're bringing videos it feels like every couple days. We're trying to drop them 3 a week at least. So yeah, stay tuned for the vlog, man. Visionary Foreign and Exotics, your boy Frank Visionary.